Hey guys, Pete Sohm with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of the 2024 Sea Ray 270 SDX. As you can see, this is a full hull color, black. As Frank pans around, you can see that the tower does have the fiberglass insert panels to give it more of a full sporty look. We obviously have our windlass anchor. We'll talk about that a little bit more in the cockpit. Panning back. This boat is powered by the Mercury 300 V8. Tan sea deck on our swim platform. As we make our way around the starboard side, we have a nice telescopic boarding ladder. Let's go take a look inside the cockpit. All right, here at the transom, we have a very spacious sun pad, 2 cup holders, a plug-in for our phone there, so you never have to leave the back. Stereo remote, our shower sprayer there, clean your feet off, access door on and off in case you have small kids or pets. Our ski tow bar, you can also tow from the tower up there. Making our way in, you can see the sea deck does continue throughout the cockpit up into the bow. On the starboard side here, we have the optional wet bar. If you didn't get this, there would just be more cushion right there. Right, moving forward, nice option here is the seats. You can push these both like so, creating more room in the cockpit. Push them back, double wide. They both have bolsters. Okay. Our head compartment, very spacious. You do have a little ventilation window in there. At the helm, we have our Simrad display, our Fusion stereo, obviously all of our lighting and switching, our throttle, right? Up in the bow, plenty of space up here. Both of our seats do have armrests, cup holders underneath. Awesome storage compartment right here. We do have the LED lighting package as well. This boat looks awesome at night. And then finally, again, our windlass anchor and sprayer up there in the front. All right, guys, again, this is the 2024 Sea Ray 270 SDX. The boat is here at MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. Feel free to come in or visit us online. Thank you.